Welcome to IAC. Today we have to discuss 18th March 2020 Shift 3 SSC CHSL Pure Maths questions. Right? Question number 1. Cos x equal to 3 by 5. Cos x equal to 3 by 5. Then find the value of sin x minus sin cube x. Right? Whenever a trigonometric ratio is given, that question we have to solve by using Pythagoras theorem, right? So cos x, so this is x, cos x means adjacent by hypotenuse, so combination 3, 4, 5, right? So what we have to find, sin x minus sin cube x. If you take sin x as common here, so 1 minus sin square x. So what is sin square x? 1 minus sin square x, cos square x, that is sin x into cos square x. So sin x into cos square x value we have to find by using this Pythagoras, that means a right angle triangle. What is sin x? Sin x means opposite by hypotenuse, that is opposite hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5 into cos square x. Cos square x, what is cos x? 3. So 3 by 5 whole square, 3 by 5 whole square, that is 9 fourths 36 by 125. So 36 by 125, right? So we have to divide 36 by 125, divide 36 by 125 is 0.288. So 36 by 125 is 0.288. So option B is the right answer. Okay, so 0.288 is the right answer, right? Simple. Actually 36 by 25 has to leave, but he is given in points, so you have to divide, right? That's it. Then question number 2. Coming to question number 2, the perimeter of an isosceles triangle. So it is a which triangle? Isosceles triangle. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle, so AAB, that is 2A plus B is how much? 90, and its base is how much? 26. Base is how much? 26. Then find the equal side. So 2A plus B is given. 2A plus B is how much? 90. 2A plus perimeter is 90 and B is also given how much? 26. We have to find A. Very simple. So 2A equal to, so 64, right? 64. So A equal to how much? 32. So what is the equal side? The equal side is 32. Option B is the right answer. Simple question, right? So previous one is a simple. Only thing you have to divide it. Divide you have, right? Then question number 3. Third question. See third question. The shadow of a tree is 1 by root 3 times of its length. 1 by root 3 times of its length. So trigonometry, heights and distance question. Heights and distance. What is that? So one tree is there. So one tree, let it be, the height is 1. If the height is 1, then the shadow, if height is 1, the shadow is how many times? 1 by root 3 times. That means this is 1 by root 3. So then what is the angle of elevation? What is theta? So simple. What is theta? Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. If tree is 1, shadow is 1 by root 3 times of its shadow. 1 by root 3 times of its shadow, right? That means 1 by root 3. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent, that is 1 by root 3. That is how much? Root 3. Where tan is root 3? Tan 60 degrees. So theta equal to how much? 60 degrees. Theta is 60 degrees. So 60 is the right answer. Option D is the right answer, right? Note down. So simple. In a right angle triangle, he is telling one is height means shadow is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 times he is telling. So x means 1 by root 3. X we have to write. So instead of x, directly I am writing 1. Okay. Right. Then next one. Next question. Yes, see. Sin theta equal to 0.96, that means 96 by 100. Sin theta is 96 by 100. 96 by 100 means it will cancel with 48, 50. So 48 by 50. So sin theta is 48 by 50. Then find the value of cot theta. Same again, a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle combination. So theta. So what is sin? Sin is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, right? 48, 50 is there. Oh, even it is again it is dividing. Why? So 48 by 50 again 24, 25. So 24 by 25, 24 by 25. So this is 24 and this is 25. What is the combination? What is the combination? So 24, 25 means 7, 24, 25 is the combination. 7, 24, 25 is the combination or not? So what is the adjacent? Adjacent is 7. What we have to find? Cot theta. So cot theta equal to, what is cot? Cot means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 7 by 24. So 7 by 24 is the right answer. So again he is asking in a fraction, decimals. You have to divide 7 divided by 24. 7 divided by 24. So 0.2916, approximately it is how much? 0.2916 you have to divide, that's it. So actually 7 by 24 is the answer, but he is giving in decimals. It is given in decimal. So what is answer? 0.2916 is the right answer. Okay. Question number 5. What is given? 2 of a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Then which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Simply substitute OTP, which is satisfying, that is the right answer. Which is satisfying the equation, that is the right answer. Just substitute a equal to b. A equal to b means 2 of, this is also a square, this is also a square plus a square, 2a square equal to a plus a, 2a whole square, that is this is 4a square and this is also 4a square. Both sides it is tallying. So option A is the right answer direct. So at a equal to b, if a equal to b, 2 of a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square, right? So a equal to b is the right answer. So OTP, simply substitute the options which is satisfying, that is the right answer. Okay, right. Then question number 6. Question number 6. See, in an isosceles right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle means a triangle in which 2 sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees, right? 2 sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees. Hypotenuse is 4 root 2a, right? In an isosceles right angle triangle, the perimeter is 30. The perimeter is how much? 30. Perimeter. What is the perimeter? Sum of all sides, that is 2a plus root 2a is how much? He is telling 30. Then find the area approximately. Find the area approximately. Area, how much area? What is the area? Okay, so area is first we'll find a. So a into 2 plus root 2 equal to how much? 30, right? So a equal to how much? 30 by 30 by simplify చేద్దాం. Right, if you take here 2 as common, so a into root 2, if you take root 2 as common, root 2 plus 1 into 30, so 1 root 2 1, so root 2 15 root 2s. So a equal to how much? 15 root 2 by root 2 plus 1. 15 root 2 by root 2 plus 1. If you rationalize, what will come? So the difference is 1 means simply 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Okay, so what is a is 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1. 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Right, now we have to find the area. What is the area? What is the area of isosceles right angle triangle? Half a square, right? Half a square, that is half into 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1 into 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1, right? Just say half a square 2 times. Now what is cancelled? 2 root 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So what is the remaining value here we are identifying? That is 15 into 15, 225 into root 2 minus 1 whole square, root 2 minus 1 whole square, a minus b whole square, a square, that is 2 plus b square 1, 3 minus 2 root 2. So answer is how much? What is the area? Area is 225 into 3 minus 2, 225 into 3 minus 2 root 2, but he is giving in area approximate values, right? So we have to simplify. So if you simplify 2 root 2, 2 root 2 means 1.414 into 2, that is 2.818. So 3 minus 0.2, sorry. So simplification part is given in this paper. A lot of simplifications are there. 2.818 means how much? 281.0. So 0 point, that is 225 into 0.182. So 225 into 0.182, we have to multiply. So if you multiply 225 into 0.182, what is the answer we are getting? Just you do 225 into 0.182. So if you do approximately 40.95 we are getting. 40.95 means approximately it is 40, right? So option B is the right answer. Right, again we will say 2a plus root 2a is 30 is given, right? 30 is given. So a into 2 plus root 2 is 30. So if you take root 2 as common, your root 2 plus 1. So 15 root 2 exactly. So a equal to 15 root 2. So 15 root 2 by root 2 plus 1. So 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1 exactly. So what is a? A is 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1. So half a square. What is the area? Half a square. Isosceles right angle triangle area is half a square. That is half into a. 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1 and 15 root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Root 2 to cancel. So here 15 15s. 15 15 is 225. So 225 into a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 3 minus 2 root 2. So if you simplify, you will get around 40.95 C. So approximately 40 is the right answer. Approximate value is asking. So 40 is the right answer. Okay. Then next one, question number 7. Which of the following options is divisible by 3? So this is not a pure maths question, it's a number system question. Divisible by 3. So when a number is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits is divided with 3. So if sum of digits is divided with 3, then the total number is also divided with 3. So simply add the values, add the digits which is divided with 3, that is the answer. First you add 10, 19, 21, 24 plus 9, that is 33. First option is only exactly divisible, so option A is the right answer. So simply we have to add the numbers, add the digits, sum of the digits. So that is the divisibility of 3, right? What is the divisibility of 3 means? All digits we have to add. Which number is divided with 3? That is the right answer. So here option A is divided with 3. Option A is divided with 3, right? Simple question. So it's not a pure maths, it's a number system question. Okay, right. Then next one, x cube plus, just see, x cube plus y cube equal to how much? 16. X plus y equal to 4. What is x power 4 plus y power 4? If you observe carefully, put x and y 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 2 cube plus 2 cube is how much? Exactly 16 or not? 8 plus 8 is 16 or not? So what is x and y? X and y values are 2 and 2. So x power 4 plus y power 4 we have to find. That is 2 power 4 plus 2 power 4. That is how much? 32. So answer is how much? 32. 2 power 4, 16 plus 16, 32. So 32 is the right answer. Simple question, right? So simple question is given. Right. Then question number 9. Question number 9. See, the length of the rectangular plot. One rectangular plot is there. The length of the rectangular plot is 5 times its breadth. 5 times its breadth. Length, breadth. So if breadth is x, length is how much? 5x. 5 times its breadth, right? And the area of the rectangular plot is 2000. What is the area? Area formula is L into B. L into B, that is 5x into x is how much? 2000. 5 ones 5, 400. So x equal to how much? 20. X equal to how much? 20. What is asking? Find the breadth of the rectangular plot. What is the breadth? The breadth is x. So b equal to how much? 20. So what is the breadth of the rectangular plot? The breadth of the rectangular plot is 20. Very simple question is given. Okay, so what is the breadth of the rectangular plot? 20. Okay, so what is the length of the rectangular plot? 100. 5 into 20, that is 100. Okay, right. Then question number 11. Find the value of just see. Find the value of 21 root x plus 20 root x equal to 29 root x. If you observe the values, 20, 21, 29 represents which triangle? Right angle triangle. It's a triplet code. 20, 21, 29 represents a triplet code. Avuna? So it's a triplet code. 20, 21, 29 represents a triplet code. Means 20, 20 means 20 square plus 21 square equal to 29 square. So it accepts Pythagoras theorem. So directly a triplet code is given. 20, 21, 22. So here power should be how much? 2. Power should be, when power is 2, if x is 4. So if x is 4, so option D is the right answer. So 20, 21, 29 represents which triangle? Right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle means triplet code means 20 square plus 21 square is how much? 29 square. So power should be 2 means root 4. Root 4 means 2. So root 4. So root 4 means 2 will come. So what is x? X is how much? 2. Sorry, x is how much? 4. So answer is how much? D, 4. Okay. Simple question is given. Direct a triplet code is given, right? So if you know triplet codes very well, then problem is very easy. అందుకే ట్రిప్లెట్ కోడ్స్ అనేవి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి అని అనుకున్నది. సో టిల్ నౌ ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం యూజ్ చేసింది అంటే జనరల్లీ విల్ యూజ్ దిస్ ట్రిప్లెట్ కోడ్స్ ఇన్ జామెట్రీ, మెన్సురేషన్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఇన్ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ. బట్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వీఆర్ యూజ్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ ఆల్జిబ్రాలో కూడా యూజ్ అయింది, రైట్? సో పైథాగరస్ ట్రిప్లెట్ కోడ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దెన్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 12. See, two circles with center same center P. Two circles with same center P. Two circles are there with same center P. With same center P, having radius 7.5 and 4.5. Through point A. Through a point A larger circle, a tangent is drawn to the smaller circle. So point A, through point a tangent is drawn to the smaller circle. A tangent is drawn to through point A అన్నాడు కదా, right? Through point A. A tangent is drawn to the smaller circle which is touching at B. Which is touching at B. కొంచెం నీట్గా వేద్దాం. Which is touching at B. Find AC approximately. Small correction is there here. So C value ఎక్కడైనా ఉందా ఈ డయాగ్రామ్లో? Nowhere it is there. So two circles with same center P having radius 7.5 cm and 4.4 cm. Through point A, a tangent through point A of a larger circle, a tangent is drawn to the smaller circle touching at B and ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసుకోండి and intersects larger circle at C. And intersects a larger circle at C. And intersects a larger circle at C. Right? Like this we have to write. Then find AC value. Now we have to find the AC value. Right? What is the smaller radius? Smaller radius is how much? 4.4. And bigger radius is how much? 7.5. 7.5. Right? 4.4 and 7.5. Then find AC value. Here simply it is forming a which triangle? A right angle triangle. Here it is forming a right angle triangle, right? 44 and 75. So we have to find AP square. So in triangle APB, 7.5 and 4 point. In triangle APB, what happens? AP square equal to PB square plus BA square. That is, so 7.5 whole square equal to 4.4 whole square plus BA square. So BA, what is BA? BA equal to square root of 7.5 whole square minus 4.4 whole square. 75 into 75 into 7 8 is 56. So 56.25 minus 44 into 44, 4 16, 17, 176, right? So 6 3 9 1, right? 19.36. So 56.25 minus 19.36, we have to subtract. 56.25 minus 19.36, we have to subtract. That is 9, here 8, and here so 15 minus that is 6 and 2, right? 4 minus 3, 36.89 exactly. See, 9 and 11 minus 3 8, and 15 minus, sorry, ఇక్కడ తప్పు వేసాం మనం. 15 minus 9 15 minus 9 6 and 3. So what we got? Square root of 36.89. So 36.89 we got, right? 36.89 means approximately it is how much? 6 అనుకోవచ్చు. Approximately it is how much? 6. So what is AB? AB is 6. AB 6 means BC is also how much? 6. So approximately what is AC? Approximately AC is 12. Approximately AC is 12 means option D is the right answer. 12.14 is the right answer. మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా మనం చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. సో 36.89 మీన్స్ 6.101 6.1 ఎంత వస్తుంది, అవునా? సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ 6 ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 6. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 6 మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ 6. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ AC? AC ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్? 12. Okay, so 12 is the right answer. So simplification part తప్ప ఇంకేం లేదు. So here we are using a right angle triangle, but exact Pythagoras theorem is not there. That means triplet code is not there. That's why, so we are finding approximate value we are finding. Okay, right, no doubt. 12th question, see, it's a progression question. So question we got from progression, and it's a very simple point. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on. The sum of odd numbers, sum of n odd numbers. What is the formula for sum of n odd numbers? N square. The sum of first n odd numbers. The sum of first n odd numbers. The sum of first n odd numbers formula is n square. So direct option D is the right answer. Direct formula is given. So in progression, direct formula is given. Right? Then. Oh, but he is given up to 2n minus. Right. Whatever it is. Right? Then next one. Next question, see, so two small circular grounds of diameter 42 meters and 26 meters are to be replaced by a bigger circular ground. So this is a geometry question, mensuration question. What is telling? Two smaller circular grounds of diameters 42 and 26, 42 and 26 two circular grounds are there, are replaced by a bigger circular ground. What would be the radius of the new ground if the new ground having the same area of the smaller grounds? So area of the ground is same. Two smaller ground areas and bigger ground area. Area is same. Then what is the radius of the bigger one? He is asking, right? So that is what is the condition? Pi r1 square plus pi r2 square equal to pi r1. So smaller ground area, this is a circular ground, this is also a circular ground. Pi r1 square plus pi r2 square equal to our bigger ground area, that is pi r square. So we have to find capital R, right? So that is pi cancel, right? So what is the radius of the smaller one? What is the radius of the first one? That is 21. So 21 square plus what is the next one? That is 13 square equal to how much? R square. So we have to find R. So R square, 21 square plus 13 square. So R equal to so 21 is 441 plus 169. So 441 169 means 0 1 6 610. So square root of 610. So the approximate value of 610 625 దగ్గరలో ఉంది కదా. సో 625 అంటే 25 కంటే కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉండాలి. సో 25 కంటే తక్కువ, బిలో 25 ఈజ్ 24.65 24.69. So 23 are taking 23 square is how much? 23 square is 529. కాదు, దగ్గరలో లేదు. సో 25 అబోవ్ అయితే కాదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ 25. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ 25. వై? బికాస్ 25 above means 25 is 625. So 25 above is not at all possible. So approximately it is how much? 24.69. So the square root is how much? 24.69. Through options we can find the answer. అంతేగాని కూర్చొని మళ్ళీ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఓకే, త్రూ ఆప్షన్స్ we can eliminate the remaining options. Okay, right. So these are the questions today we discussed in this SSC HSL previous paper, right? So in next class, that means next session, we'll go for the next paper, right? Thank you.